in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to color code your exercises using exercise timer so that you can easily recognize them by just glancing at your phone during a workout. Okay, so open up exercise timer and select a workout. I'm going to select this custom here and I'm going to press edit. So by default, when you're adding new intervals, exercise timer will sort of randomize the colors. So if I keep adding exercises, it will keep adding different colors sort of. If I add a break, it will always be green for the simple reason that almost everybody wants their breaks to look the same, but still, if you want to change the colors, you can. Okay, so let's change the color of the first interval. So open it up, and to change the color, you just press this red icon here. And you can select any color that you want. This is very simple, so change the color and press done. And you can keep doing this for all the intervals. And when you're done, just press save, and your new colors, sort of the color coding is there. And during the workout, they will show in there.